Hi, I'm Belinda Carli, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool foaming sugar scrub. This is the product we're going to be making here, and as you can see, it's got nice big lumps of sugar in there, and if you apply it to the skin and massage it with a bit of water, you'll see it foams up nicely. It's a beautiful, creamy, foaming, scrubbing product. Great for all areas of the body. Now, to make this product, we need a very special ingredient, Stepan Mild GCC. Now, this is a special material because it's natural and it will thicken foaming products. It also boosts the foam and it also helps solubilize. So this is a really important material in this product. I have it measured out here with some coconut oil, and I'm just going to heat this gently. Now, you can contact us for the full formula and method. We're happy to share this with you. Now, we don't need a lot of heat for this product, but we do need a little bit of heat just to melt these ingredients so we can make a nice homogeneous mix. So I'm first mixing in the coconut oil, and once this has all melted, still keeping that heat really low, I'm going to add some macadamia oil and mix that together. Next, I'm going to add my surfactant, and this will help give the foam, as well as the Stepan Mild GCC. Now next I need to add water, but before I can add the water to this phase here, I need to adjust the pH of the water, and that's mainly because it's going to be really hard for me to adjust later. Now I just need to heat this water phase gently to 30 degrees so that it's the same temperature as the rest of my product. And just make sure that you mix those first phases together really well. You should have a nice clear mixture at this point. Now I'm just going to heat the water gently to 30 degrees, and just make sure you've got your previous phases mixed thoroughly. It should be nice and clear. Then add the water to the previous phases. And then add the glycerin. And now we're going to add the sugar slowly. And there you have your finished foaming sugar scrub. Now there's a couple of really important things about this formula. The first is that Stepan Mild GCC. Without it, I wouldn't get the required product form without using a gum or other thickener or another type of surfactant agent. Using that means that I can thicken the product really effectively. I've also got a lot of sugar in there, and you can contact us for the free formula and you'll notice that I don't add a preservative. I don't need to. The secret is in the amount of sugar compared to the water. If I had a high water content, adding the sugar, it will dissolve mostly. In this case, there's a very small water portion and there's so much sugar used that we have a concept known as low available water. This means there's too little water for any sort of microbial growth to occur, so I don't need a preservative. Remember too, I had to adjust the pH before I added the water because it's too hard to adjust later. And finally, because there's such a small amount of water, it means that the sugar won't dissolve in the water, and I'm left with this beautiful foaming sugar scrub with lots of sugary granules and still a great foam performance. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!